So this is our bonfire for tonight. Quite a decent size. No guy though, that's unfortunate. Or fireworks, not allowed them. Yeah. So this is the area around. Cleared. Going back to the ute.